This is how I feed my chicks as they're growing up. This is what I do every day. Pour in some bird seed in a Pyrex bowl. Add some water. I keep bleach on the counter. I always put in a couple of drops of bleach so we won't get mold in the bird's feed. That's step one. This is step two. The seed has been soaking, or it needs to soak for about 4 hours. I'm going to drain it and rinse it. And now I'm going to let it soak again for a couple of hours. And this is how I mix up feed for chicks. I start with egg food mixed together with regular feeding formula that you would use for hook bills. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water to it. And you want this to be soft and crumbly, but not real wet. And then bird seed on top of it, the soaked seed. And I usually add some chopped vegetables. This is real easy for the chicks to eat themselves as they're learning to eat. It's easy for the parents to feed the babies. It's a lot easier than regurgitating seeds that haven't been soaked. You get a little bit of seed sprouting here. That's good for the birds. When the chicks first leave the nest, I usually put baby food in to make this really sticky so that when they land on it, it'll stick to their feet and they'll nibble at it, and that's how they learn how to eat. When you prepare this chick food, you want to put it on a paper plate so that it doesn't get sour.